everything is fine. Got my plowboy bunny sitting by my side. What else does a country boy need to survive?
Let me hear you say, hey, we want some country. Hey, we want some country. Let me hear you say, hey, we want some country. Hey, we want some country.
Woo, 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 woo.
Cane poles, a fresh batch of that apple. Park the boat in the cove and follow me to the castle. Gonna buzz all night and not worry about a thing. Get your Evan roll back, running right, and gonna try everything we can.
I got that apple pie, moonshine, blackberry, muscadine. Country folk now, you ready to ride?